Great.
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir. How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you. What about you?
I'm also good. So, what is your name?
My name is Zaman Malik. And what about you?
My name is Aniket Singh. Where are you from?
I'm from Roth. And where are you from?
I am from Jaunpur village.
And
So, what are you doing nowadays?
where is it situated?
Okay, it is 25 kilometers from here.
Okay. And what have you passed?
I have passed 12th class. And what are you doing nowadays?
I'm learning spoken English and as well as I'm doing a job at a medical store.
Okay, you are doing a job.
Yes,
That's
sir.
good.
Yes. And what about you?
I am pursuing BSc 5th semester.
Fifth semester. And what is going? How is going your study?
Well, that is perfectly good.
And what do you want to be?
I want to join the defense forces.
Defense. In
And
which-
what do you want to be?
I want to be a chemist.
Okay, you want to be a chemist.
Yes.
So, what are you doing for that?
As I mentioned, I am learning spoken English and as well as I'm doing a job at medical store
Okay.
to gain knowledge.
To gain knowledge and experience.
Yes,
That's
sir.
good to know. And where do you want to get that job?
No, I don't want to get a good job. I want to do my own business.
Okay, you
And
want
I
to
want
start
to
your own business and
own
shop.
shop. Yes.
Okay, that's good.
Yes.
So, friend, have you watched Animal movie?
Yes, I have watched. I also wanted to ask you about this. Have you
Okay.
watched this movie?
Yeah,
Yes,
because
I have.
nowadays it is in trend and
Yes.
most of the people have watched it.
Yes.
So, what is your opinion about that? Have you liked it?
Yes, I have liked it, but it has not any good logic.
Okay. Well,
They-
it
they
is
all
not a
think-
big problem because that is the case with most of the Bollywood movies.
Because
Okay.
they are walk here and there without any reason and they kills all the so many persons and in this movie there has no police. Have you-
Okay.
if
Actually,
if you
it is just to maintain the same level of comedy as well as some action. So just to make the movie more crispy and more like perfect. So, do you also listen to songs?
What?
Do you listen to songs?
yes, I listen song.
Okay, which is your favorite singer?
My favorite singer is Arjit Singh.
Arjit Singh. Okay,
Yeah.
you are a classic music enjoyer.
Yes,
Okay.
and as well as I like Diljit Dosanjh and
Okay.
I like so many singers
Hmm.
and I listen so many singers song.
Okay. So I am getting that you like to watch Bollywood movies as well as listen to songs.
And I also like Hollywood movies.
Okay, you also like Hollywood movies.
Yes.
And which is your favorite Hollywood movie?
My favorite movie is Avengers Endgame.
Avengers Endgame. Yes. Okay. And which is your favorite? Actually, I just want to know which is your favorite character from that movie?
In this movie, my favorite character is Iron Man.
Iron Man.
Yes.
Yes.
I like
And-
I like that character.
And why do
Because
you like him?
he made his power by own.
By own, yes. Like he's a genius.
He's a genius, very
Okay.
genius.
So, friend, please tell
I
me
like-
about your family.
About my family, so there are 6 family members in my family, including me, and 2 brothers, 1 sister, and my parents.
Okay.
Yes. And what about you?
Okay. I have 5 family members, including me, my parents, my younger brother, and my grandfather.
That is nice.
Okay. So, do you have a sister?
Yes, I have 1 sister.
Okay.
And about
What
you?
is she doing?
She is she's doing his 5th, and as well as he is doing a tuition.
Okay. She is giving tuitions.
Yes, yes.
Okay. In which subject is she giving tuitions?
She is taking tuition of maths and English and as well as science.
Okay.
And as well
Maths,
as
English, and
GK.
science.
Yes.
And which is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is math. And what about yours?
Okay. Well, mine is physics.
Physics.
Yes.
And why
So-
do you like physics?
Okay. Actually, physics is like it is a part of everything. You cannot expect anything to happen without physics because
Yes.
all of the things actually maintains the laws of physics.
It is
So
yes.
it is the natural phenomena which occurs all around us. Like if you walk, you are also using Newton's third law of motion.
Yes.
So why do you like maths?
I like to solve questions, and it has so many logicful questions, and we have to put my mind in questions. So I
Yes.
like to solve math.
Yeah. Actually, no. In maths, you have to use your logical reasoning.
Yes.
Otherwise, question will not be able to solve by yourself. And the second thing is that as long as you are using your mind, So somewhere you are also getting more power. It is actually mental power. Yeah, it is good.
But
So
nowadays it is lack of time. It lacks of time.
mhm.
I I'm not doing. I'm not solving math because of time.
Okay,
I don't have that much time to solve math and do anything.
well that is
Because
not a big problem.
as I mentioned, I'm
Mhm.
doing a job.
Yeah, that's good. Actually, doing job actually gives you money as well as experience.
Yes,
So friend,
and
which phone
as
do
well
you
as
use? Which phone do you use?
I use Oppo phone.
Okay, Oppo phone.
Yes, and what
So
about you?
I use Samsung mobile.
And what is the model of mobile?
Well, that is M21 series.
That's nice.
Okay.
And what is the cost of your mobile?
Well, back in 2020, it was of 14,000 rupees.
Oh, yes. And what
Which
is
is your favorite mobile?
my favorite mobile is iPhone.
iPhone.
It is the
Yes.
yes, it is the most valuable phone.
Hmm. So please
So
tell me about some features of the iPhone that you like.
I like the camera of that phone,
Hmm.
but because of their battery, I I do not buy.
Yeah,
I don't
battery
purchase
can be an
because of
issue.
yes.
Like otherwise, in most of the Android phones, they give 5,000, 6,000 mAh of battery, and that is a little battery.
And
So
uh, tell me out something about your phone features.
okay,
How many
well
features in that in your phone?
yeah, yeah. So first feature that I believe is good is the actual AMOLED display,
Yes.
because in most of the mobiles that come in that price range do not have AMOLED display, but AMOLED display is one of its kind, and Samsung actually prepares the best displays as far as I believe. And second feature which you can get in this price range in only Samsung mobile is obviously the camera as well as battery combination performance. Otherwise, there would be some phones in which the camera would be okay, but the battery would be less good.
But
So,
according
camera plus battery combination of Samsung is good. Actually, I'm here trying to say about the middle range phones. Otherwise, there are S23 Ultra series and A series in which these facilities are actually top notch. But
yes,
at this prime range, at this price range, it is good. It's workable.
that's nice. And do you use Instagram?
No, I do not use Instagram.
And which app
And
do you
do
use?
you use?
Yes, I use.
Okay. So how many followers do you have?
I have 300 followers.
300 followers.
Yes,
Okay.
only
Do you
300.
also post reels and photos?
I always post photos and some videos.
Some
Not
videos. Okay.
my.
So do you like
I
to watch
also
reels?
I always post my walking video and my photos
Mhm.
only.
Actually,
I
most of our friends spend their time watching reels. They say that it is actually enjoyable moment
yes,
that they like to scroll through reels. Sometimes they see memes and sometimes there are edits. So they just enjoy. So what do you think
it
about
is
it?
the way of enjoyment and
Mhm.
wastage of time.
Wastage of time. Yeah, I also believe the same. Okay. So what are your opinions about YouTube and which channels do you use?
I use Instagram, Facebook, and I use YouTube.
Hmm. Yeah,
I,
please tell me about your subscribed channels.
I subscribed the Boston Campus channel and as well as so many dance channels
Okay.
because
Okay.
I like dance.
Okay. So do you know how many subscribers does T series have?
T series?
Hmm.
No, I don't have know about how how much subscribers they have.
But T series is the biggest YouTube
Biggest,
channel
yes, yes,
in the
yes.
entire world. So, and again, second thing is it is from India. So yeah, it is a thing to have proud of. And yeah, you like to follow dance channels.
Yes,
So
I
please
like
just tell me one or two names
with
of dance channels.
dance. The my favorite dancer is Himanshu Dulani,
Hmm.
and the channel name was also Himanshu Dulani,
Okay.
and the second was Sushant Khatri.
Hmm.
If you want to watch, you may watch, and he, they both are
Hmm.
very good dancers.
Yeah. So do you have any knowledge of hip hop and break dance? Because these terms are very common nowadays.
Yes,
Yeah, please tell me about
I
them.
know some I know a little bit of.
Hmm.
In hip hop, we do only dance, and it has so many category of dance. I can't explain what is in that.
Okay.
there's so many category of dance like hip hop, popping,
Hmm.
crumb, and as well as contemporary.
Okay, yeah. So
So
yeah, you
many
have good knowledge
categories.
about dances. Okay. So friend, which is your favorite car?
My favorite car. No, I don't like that much car, but I like Thar.
Okay, you are a Thar lover.
In future, I will want to purchase a Thar.
Yeah. Okay. So actually in our area, most of people like to buy these Thar cars. So
Yes.
what is the specialty of these cars that
Not
makes people buy them?
people don't want to buy facility. People want to buy for his, his look,
For the look of the
for the
car.
look of Thar.
Hmm.
It has a very good look,
Yeah, it
and
is
it is
bulky.
very
It is very expensive and
oh
looks very tight.
yes.
Hmm.
I like the look
Okay. Actually,
because most of the
in my
most
younger
of
days,
the
people,
people
yeah, in my
most of
younger days, people used to talk about Mercedes and Bugatti, and nowadays they only talk about Thar.
yes.
So yeah, so the craze about Thar has gone up.
The peoples are die for the buying car, buying
Yes.
car. You know,
Yeah.
have you watched the movie Leo?
Sorry, brother, I have not watched that movie.
You have
So
not watched
have you
it?
watched it?
Yes, I have watched.
Hmm. So would you like to suggest me to watch
Yes,
that movie?
yes, you would. You had better to watch. It has a very good movie about family.
Okay, about family.
Yes,
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, I believe in my free time I will watch it
and what do you like to watch most?
most.
Yes.
Yeah, like nowadays in YouTube, I like to watch some infotainment content.
What?
Like there are some channels which provide you with information as well
Uh,
as some entertainment. So it is
and
the best combination.
do you
Like
watch? Do you watch comedy videos? Any
no,
comedy
I do
videos?
not watch comedy videos as such. Like when I was in 8th class, so there were Discovery channels, amazing shows were there, as well as there was channel named of Net Geo Wild, Animal Planet. So nowadays I do not have access to those channels, but
You
the
used to watch.
facilities,
You used to
yeah, I
watch
used to
them.
watch them, but the facilities of those channels can be traced in YouTube and some other TV channels.
So that's good.
So have you
What?
watched the Man vs Wild?
Man versus?
Wild.
Not yet. I have not watched. Should
Okay.
we? Should we watch?
Yes, we should watch that. It was actually a very good show.
Really?
Yes.
And what is in that?
In that, the main protagonist, Bear Grylls, he used to go to different terrains of the entire planet, and he used to show us the ways by which we can survive in those difficult areas. He also used to show us the ways of cooking some animals so that we can survive. And back in those days, our family members used to call us that please do not see that, otherwise you would not be eating your lunch.
And have you watched any scam movie?
Scam movie?
Scam 1992 or
No, I have
Scam
not watched that.
2003?
No.
You
Have you
should.
watched the Scam 1992?
Yes, I have watched.
Okay. So what was shown in that movie?
It is the strategy of the person. How how is the strategy of person? How we can uh, make a strategy of business?
Business.
Yes, because in that movie, the person who was the main character, he makes a strategy of a business, and he will become a good businessman,
Okay. But
very famous
actually,
businessman.
there was a scam word.
Yes,
So what was this scam?
he scammed 500 crore rupees.
500 crore rupees.
Yes,
Okay. Well, that's a large amount of
but
money.
of State Bank of India.
State Bank of India.
Yes,
Okay. It was a very high level scam.
yes.
Okay.
And after that, a scam also held on 2003. The name of person was Abdul Karim Tirgi.
Really?
Have you heard the name?
Yes, I have watched a short, YouTube short on that.
YouTube show.
Yeah, it was actually a real event. So he used some tokens, government tickets and tokens,
Yes, yes,
and
yes.
he made them in his own way.
He used to sell. Firstly, he used to sell tokens of we can say stamp paper.
Yeah, stamp duties,
Stamp
etc.
paper.
Okay.
And after some time, he started to make a stamp a fraud stamp papers. and sales, and he took the license of stamp papers license.
Yeah, yeah, it was. Okay, so friend, it was a very good moment to have to talk to you here. So see you next time.
Thank you, sir. Same to you. We will meet tomorrow again.
Yeah, I also did the same. Thank you.
Thanks.